Hi, everyone. Welcome to the week 13 video lesson. We are going to be responding to classmates today or this week. I want to talk to you about responding to your classmates' discussion post, and then also the next steps for the Bunker Hill practice test, and maybe a little bit about the official Bunker Hill test. I'd like us all to practice reading someone else's writing and responding to it. So this is a really important activity because it's a reading and writing activity. So I just want to go over the idea of the sandwich comment. You can see here in the sandwich graphic, we want to provide some positive feedback. And then we could also, give like a critique. Here it says negative feedback. It's not maybe the best way to phrase it. It's sort of something that the student could improve. And then maybe we can also then give more positive feedback. So first, write something that you liked about your partner's discussion post. This could be something you understand and you think is clear, or maybe an idea that you like. Then write a question you have for the student. This could be something that you did not understand or something you would like to know more about. So for me, this is the sandwich. I hope everyone understands that. Maybe I'll just jump to this. For this activity, I decided to put you in partners so you can see, like, for example, Maria should respond to Tatiana's discussion post. Tatiana should respond to Maria's post. If for some reason your partner doesn't post a discussion post, which happens, I understand. Sometimes students have issues during the week and they're unable to do their assignment for 1 week. Please just find another student and comment on their discussion post. This is just to help. For example, here is a example post from a few cycles ago. This is not from our class. And you could sort of read this over and think about what you might comment. So I'm just looking this over for a second. Maybe everyone take a moment to look it over. So maybe this person here is explaining sort of how Big Bruno is a hero. And so I could talk about how I like how they explain this here. So that's great. But then I could say maybe this sentence is a little bit long and confusing here. Like, could you try and make some revisions to this sentence with some punctuation? So there's like an example of something, providing something that you like, and then something that they can improve. Here again are the partners. I'd like you to get ready that next week we're actually going to do the official practice test, and not the official, but we're gonna really do the whole essay. So because we've practiced a little bit, now we're going to do the essay. So you're going to have two options. You could spend as much time as you want writing the practice essay, or you could pretend that it's a real practice test, and you could just set a timer for 2 hours. This is the actual timeline for that test, and you could try to write the essay just during those 2 hours. The official practice test is available in like the end of the fall and the end of the spring. So one of them is in December, but I think that there might be options in June, right? So, and I don't know when. So one is in June, one is in June. And I think there's also one in January. So if you'd like to try and actually take this practice test to see if you could be accepted to Bunker Hill, please let me know. So that's what we're doing, everybody. This week, you can see here, right? Please respond to your partner's discussion post from week 12. That should say week 12. I'm going to edit that right now. And please follow the sandwich comment instructions. If you have more time, you could take this time to practice your English using NGen. Or there's an optional video to write about sort of how to respond to students in discussion boards. So that's another sort of optional video you could watch for this week. Thank you, everybody. Please let me know if you have any questions.